Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Facebook your request couldn't be processed. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook your request couldn't be processed, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook and you will enter. Then in this page you will go to click force stop. After that you will enter to storage, and here you will go to apps, then Facebook. After that force stop, and then you will click storage, and here in this page you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data, and after all that, when you will end this, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.